Welcome back to Brooke and Jake Make, where I'm not Brooke.
And I'm not Jake.
We've been gone for a while.
Yes, we have.
But we have a new place.
Yay!
And today's build isn't a build at all. It's getting the shop ready for all of our builds.
Yeah, because it's a mess.
It's a catastrophe. Mess is very small word for it.
Yeah. Although we've been told by family that it's not that bad. But in our eyes, it's pretty bad.
And family always has to tell you that anyways.
True.
So let's get into it.
Yeah. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna take you on a tour of the garage now. Prepare yourselves. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. So, over here, we have our cleaning pile and kind of Christmas that didn't quite make it inside. It'll eventually go in there. We have some boxes and some tools and lots of things. And this is like junk, kind of. And some more junk and tools and other things that need to go inside. And then there's Jacob's bike. And this is what we're dealing with. Time to start pulling it all out.
Let's get to it. All right, so we have, no, Brooke has a new love. She's now leaving me for garage equipment, workshop equipment. We have a blank canvas.
Yeah.
The only three things that are in here now are a freezer, a shoe rack, and the table saw because it's the hardest thing to move, and then slightly downhill, so we didn't want to deal with it. So we went ahead and upgraded our workshop, or we like to think that we updated our workshop, and step one of that is
storage. Lots of storage to organize.
Everything will be clean and tidy or close to it. It'll have a place. And it should give us a pretty nice backdrop because we are trying to do some YouTube stuff as a hobby, so why not? Without that, we haven't gotten to see it. Kind of forget what color we bought, so let's go for it.
Yay! I'll get the box cutter.
Side note, I think we need some acoustic panels in here.
Yeah, I think it'll be better once there's more stuff in here. It won't be as echoey.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, it's like totally empty, so I apologize for the poor audio that you guys are getting right now.
I was gonna say, I have no idea what the audio is gonna sound like.
Yeah.
This is also probably the biggest thing that we've ever unboxed. And it came on pallets, which maybe we'll reuse the pallets if they look like they're in good condition.
That's what I thought when we got them. And then there's two on the sides.
Yep.
Okay. Now, do I cut the plastic?
Yeah, so come to a corner and just do a thin cut straight down. As best you can.
Yeah.
All right. Big reveal, right? Tape?
Yeah? Oh, I guess I can cut the tape. A two. And do your sides. And there's two more on the bottom. A three. How many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Pop? The world may never know.
Might be 6.
Okay. Ready?
I think it goes up. Oh, it just goes out.
It just comes off.
Oh, let it fall. We bought black.
Beautiful.
Full black. Black
Yes.
on black.
This is gorgeous.
Do we want to move it in the plastic? Oh yeah, the plastic goes up.
It goes up.
So
yeah,
can you
it's like kind
flip
of sitting
that
on.
back? Also, so this is the chest.
I'm guessing they're inside. Although I don't know, this does just say that. But
Yeah.
it's supposed to be all 3 pieces. So maybe they're inside.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That
It
looks
looks like
so
a
good.
fridge.
It does look like a fridge. Is this too nice for us?
Oh my gosh, it looks so good.
This is too nice for us.
Way too nice for us. We're gonna destroy this.
What does this say? Oh, this is the key. Ooh. So do we open it to see if the
We
stuff
get
is
to
in there?
unlock it.
Right? You may do the honors.
Yay! Ready?
Ready, Freddy.
Wait, did I just lock it? No.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. Look, and we can put the pegs on here for some tool storage if we want.
Yep, which I think that's why we went with this setup.
Yeah.
Is because it had some of those additional pegs.
Which gives us just even more storage.
It has a couple different shelf heights.
Yeah.
And it has these nice back holes that you can punch out to run your cables through if you're
Yep.
going to do lighting inside of it, or maybe you'll want your tool charger, your battery chargers inside of it.
Yeah.
All of that works. We got
It's so teeny
a
tiny.
6-piece unit, right?
Yeah, 6-piece total.
So it comes, it's the double wide, what do you call that? I keep wanting to say chest, but it's not right.
It's a storage cabinet. We got the
Cabinet.
really tall storage cabinet. Then we got kind of like a medium-sized one for the floor, and then the smaller ones for up
To
top.
go up top.
Yeah.
So it should be real nice.
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Should be a lot of work.
Putting the small ones on the wall are going to be very difficult.
Does that key work for this?
I don't know. Let's see.
All of them have different keys.
Yeah,
Okay.
it all works. They all say 10 on them, so I'm guessing that's like the key number or something.
was
Yeah,
like,
because
that's
the
a lot
key
of
says
keys.
10 too.
So
There's a lot of keys.
our goal today, because we don't want to have everything sit outside all night,
Especially because it just kind of started raining.
and because we've never set up cabinets before, we're going to get the bottom layer done,
Yeah.
and then we'll deal with hanging the cabinets later.
Yeah.
Plus, then we know where we need to hang it.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to set these to the side then.
Okay.
Holy jamoly. Is it glued down? Am I that
Why
weak?
would it be glued? Oh.
Okay, I think it's bolted in the back.
What?
I was like, there's no way that I'm that. I might be a little weak, but I'm not that weak. Yes, it is bolted back here.
Okay, now that we got the lids on all the base ones, we need to do a rough setup. So here we go.
All right, so we have our
Rough setup.
rough setup.
Yeah.
What our goal was.
Yeah.
Now we're going to get all of the storage in for like our fall decor, Christmas decor, that stuff, so that we get it in before the night.
Yep.
We might set up the punching bag, and we'll get all the wood materials hopefully organized and brought in as well, which means you're in for
A time lapse.
another time lapse. But tomorrow, midday,
Yeah, we get to put away the tools.
and we may or may not walk you through the organization process, but
We'll see.
you'll get to see the beauty in.
Yeah,
All right.
let's get to it.
Okay, so some time has passed.
Yes.
We made progress and then we did nothing for a couple weeks because we have to enjoy the new house we just moved into. Now we're back in it, we're back at it, and today we're gonna hang it, organize it,
and be done.
And be done. And then we can build things.
Yeah.
And we're gonna build lots of things really, really fast because we also
are going to Disney World?
Are going to Disney World. So very excited for that.
Yeah.
And just a little snippet of our life. Maybe we'll take some pictures and throw them up on Instagram or whatever. So if you're not following us, follow us. But without further ado, let's get to it.
Yeah. Okay, so now that we have our cabinets all hung up, instead of showing you guys our whole process of organizing everything, because that would be super, super boring, we're gonna go ahead and take you on a tour of the finished product. So here we go. Ta-da! Wow! So we still have stuff that kind of needs to go inside or like projects that need to be finished, but for now, we're pretty happy with it and we should be able to start making our projects pretty soon. So over here we have like our kind of our overflow storage of our screws and all of our like painting stuff and sealers and spray paint and all that kind of stuff. And then our spare wood is over there. We've got Jacob's punching bag, his bike, and then we have our whole set where most of the magic will happen. So this is what you guys will get to see pretty much every time you see us make something, unless it's something that requires us to be outside. I will show you guys our little like wall decal that we got that's new, that I kind of made for Jacob for Christmas, but kind of made for both of us. It's got our little name on it with pickles and nacho and a paw print. I thought it was pretty cute. Let me know if you guys like it. And then I will go ahead and show you our organization on the inside. So on like the whole right side of the cabinets, we have all of our tools. So we've got like our battery chargers and like squares and hammers and drills, saws, literally anything that we can get our hands on, we have. And then, so like this side and this one are all the overflow from all the tools over here. And then on the left side is all of our like craft and resin stuff. So those ones are just kind of our overflow stuff. And then look at this, our resin's all down here and our resin buckets and silicone and tape and some paints. And then look at how pretty those pigments look. Wow. Look at that, so cool. By the way, that is a spice rack holder. And then we got our glue and our gloves and all that fun stuff. And then we did just a little bit of decor, our stir sticks for resin and spoons for pigments, pens, our testing ice clock. When we find our actual original one, we'll put that there instead. But for now, it fills the space and I think it's really cute. And then this is what we get to look at while we're filming. So you guys definitely get the better end of the stick because you get to look at this, which is pretty awesome. Oh, and there's one more thing.
It has lights! Wow. All right, so that kind of wraps this thing up. Yeah. We're ready to get building and we have a nice, beautiful shop that every shop always has shop projects, right? Yes. To make them better. So we have a little bit of that left. Mm-hmm. And
we're ready to get into it, and we really hope that you guys liked kind of seeing the almost backstage of our shop and setup and getting to see it be basically rebuilt from the ground up, almost, in a sense.
I mean, I wouldn't even say rebuilt. It got like completely done. Like a new shop came in.
True.
We have the same workbench and same tools, but like
we didn't have this.
We didn't rebuild this. So I'm super happy with it. I'm excited to get to building and get some stuff out the door.
Yeah, me too.
If you remember, this is definitely something that has brought us a lot of joy.
Yes.
And as we say,
remember to do something that makes yourself happy every single day.
So
Thanks
we'll
for
see
watching.
you in the next one.
Yeah. Bye.